We stand on them all day. Let's talk about the human feet and just why they're so special. Let's talk about our feet. There are several different bones we want to talk about. And these bones are very similar to the bones of our hand. First, we have our tarsals, or the bones in our ankle joint. Then we have our metatarsals, kind of in the middle part of the broad part of your foot, similar to the palm of your hand. And here we have the phalanges, or our toe bones. Let's talk about some of the features of our foot, though. First, it's very strong and stiff. Our feet are strong and rigid, and these bones are big. Again, they're weight bearing. All of our weight is going through our feet. We also have very short and straight phalanges because we don't want to have anything too long or curved to make it difficult to keep that rigidity in our feet. And our big toe is also in line with the rest of our toes, or adducted. And we also have a longitudinal arch, which helps maintain the rigidity of our foot. Let's look at some so we can get a better idea of what's going on. So first, you can see the phalanges are just a lot shorter in the human, and they aren't curved. So our phalanges are very short and straight. You can see there's a little bit of curve to the phalanges in our chimpanzee here. Next, we can look at that longitudinal arch, or down the length of the foot. So we have one, and chimps don't. You can see the tarsals of the chimp are dropped, so they are that midpoint of their foot is actually touching the ground, whereas it's raised in humans. And you probably have recognized this when you're trying to make sure you get enough arch support in your shoes. But next we can look at our big toe and notice that our big toe is adducted, where in the chimpanzees that big toe is abducted, or is away from the rest of their foot. This allows them to grasp things so they can use their foot essentially as another hand, which we cannot. So we are the only primate that has lost the abducted hallux, but that does mean we have been able to get really, really good at bipedal walking. So can you explain what are some of the important features of our feet?